12 months ago, in a small town just out of Orange in New South Wales, this beautiful 1946 Ford Jailbar lay awaiting transformation. Today, this classic vehicle has been lovingly restored by dozens of NTI specialist suppliers. Hi, I'm Dave Jackson from NTI. On September 23rd, our partners, Pickles Auctions, will be auctioning off this 1946 Ford Jailbar to raise money for motor neuron disease research. And we're asking you to dig deep, put your hands up and bid online. Let's check her out. It's the product of thousands of hours of donated work. A hybrid of a 46 Jailbar body and a donor Isuzu N-Series truck, it offers a smooth ride with amazing bespoke features that set it apart from anything else. Originally, in 46, it had a 100 horsepower side valve V8 petrol engine. But this distinctive 3-bar grille is a modification by our 2020 build team. Today, it's fully engineer certified and powered by a grunty Isuzu diesel. Its 4-cylinder, 5.2 litre engine produces power of up to 145 kilowatts. The induction system is state-of-the-art with Euro 5 and EEV compliant emission controls. When it comes to stopping power, these old drum brakes are a thing of the past. Front and rear discs will keep you in charge with EBD, ABS and ASR traction control, hill assist and more. And connecting the drivetrain to the engine is a super smooth 6-speed manual Isuzu transmission. Now this rear tray is a work of art. It's got gorgeous spotted gum timber boards, stainless steel skid trays, 2 fridge freezers and more. We reckon it's amazing. But remember, it wouldn't look so good or drive so well if it wasn't for the donated time and efforts of some super generous and talented people, including NTI staff, the Royans Group, Envid Upholstery, and a special thanks goes to Isuzu Australia Limited. Now remember, this stunner is being auctioned to raise funds to fight the truly devastating motor neuron disease. All money raised will be donated directly to Motor Neuron Disease Australia. To put your hand up to bid, register at pickles.com.au.